Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva image to video. First, open Canva and navigate to the video section. You can choose from various video formats, such as a mobile video, a Facebook video, or a standard 1092 by 1080 pixel video. Once your project is open, upload your images directly from your computer or browse Canva's vast collection of stock photos to get started. This initial step sets the foundation for your visual story. Now that your images are in place, it's time to arrange and customize them. Simply drag and drop each image onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can easily adjust the duration of each image by dragging its ends, giving you precise control over how long it stays on screen. Feel free to resize and reposition images within the canvas, and even apply filters or adjust settings like brightness to enhance their visual appeal. To bring your video to life, let's add some movement and transitions. Select an image and click the Animate button to explore a wide range of entrance and exit effects. Between each image, click the plus icon on the timeline to add a transition, choosing from options like Dissolve, Slide, or Wipe. Experiment with different styles to find what best suits your narrative. Remember to preview your video often to ensure everything flows smoothly and the timing is just right. Finally, let's add some audio to complete your video. You can browse Canva's extensive audio library for background music or upload your own tracks, including voiceovers. Drag your chosen audio file onto the timeline and adjust its volume and duration to perfectly match your visuals. Once everything is synchronized and polished, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download to export your video. The recommended format is MP4, ensuring high quality for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.